ACER Predator TRITON 300 display and design. The ACER Predator TRITON does not shy away from looking like a futuristic machine with its diagonally cut edges at the far end of the screen and the chassis. The whole laptop has an appearance that would put other aluminum-brushed computers to shame. I loved its appearance as far as gaming is concerned. It's just too game-like that you wouldn't want to take it to your office. That had been the only bummer so far. The display is phenomenal with a 144Hz refresh rate and a 15.6-inch real estate for The Sims 4. It's FHD, so expect good brightness, but not the best colors, unfortunately. Needless to say, the display still managed to beat many at their games because of only a 3 milliseconds response rate. So, whatever's happening in The Sims 4 will be refreshed in the blink of an eye to give you a smoother experience. Design-wise, the only letdown was the offset touchpad. It's slightly towards the left, which makes it inconvenient, but who cares when you use a gaming mouse during gameplay? GPU. The laptop's graphical horsepower is commendable, too, as it's run by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. It has a 99 FPS system benchmark, which is seriously high, meaning the card can play Red Dead Redemption 2 at 1080p and 99 frames per second. Compared to the NVIDIA GTX 1650's 52 FPS, you'll be playing The Sims 4 at a double rate. I sincerely recommend this GPU for gamers who'd want to get a hold of all the expansion and other packs to be able to play the game to its fullest. To do that kind of graphics rendering, you need a monster like the RTX 2060.